Hello viewers, this is D. India Focus and I am Sricharan. For the next 5 to 8 minutes viewers, we have few big questions, few big issues to be discussed on. Let's start from the 17 lakh active cases. What was the reason behind it? And a lot more to be discussed. Many have tested positive. An important actor lost his life. A packed edition of D. India Focus viewers, and I welcome you all to this edition. Now, looking at the D. India Focus analysis, before going to it viewers, I request each and every one of you watching me to do subscribe and press the bell icon so that it acts as an encouragement to all of us in this team. Now viewers, looking at D. India Focus analysis, why is COVID cases rising? The cases are rising, it's out of control from every state. Now, the key factors are people violating the COVID norms. The second key factor is vaccination, which we'll be speaking about viewers. And the third key factor is mutation. The COVID mutation, the double mutant, what they call in India, that part. We'll be discussing that part in the future coming days viewers. I'll be bringing an exclusive video about what mutation means, what is a COVID mutant, why mutation occurs, what is a double mutant, and all such things in a special edition viewers. Now, the numbers are also much bigger, much higher, the biggest ever health crisis. On one hand, the COVID protocols were violated in Bijapur for the reason of a religious procession. On the other hand, people are gathering in large numbers elsewhere. The second wave, the second COVID wave, is coming like a tsunami. These are radical and unprecedented times, viewers. Tough rules are to be taken. Vaccination drive should be increased. UK and US has vaccinated around 50% of its population, but we have just vaccinated 7 to 8% of our population. High penalties should be imposed for the people who ever break the COVID rules, or else it's going to be a tough time, viewers. People just violating norms on one hand, and other people just suffering for it, compromising for it. Cut down all gatherings and crowds. For God's sake, viewers, let's stop these election rallies. Maharashtra has imposed severe restrictions, section 144, at last. Since the last few weeks, we have dealt a lot about COVID, how to tackle COVID in our videos in D. India Focus videos, the news editions. About COVID, its vaccinations, its side effects, what does it mean, what does those side effects mean, how to tackle COVID, and a lot more. We are looking for a direction, viewers, now. It's time for all of us to take a stand, to bring an action plan against COVID. Thousands are dying on daily basis and lakhs are gathering in other places. Is it time for an action plan? First big question of mine, is it time for an action plan? Do comment it, viewers. Few politicians are busy with the political rallies. People are dying and few others don't wear masks. Have politicians washed their hands? The second big question, have politicians washed their hands off? Common people are making compromises. The students have not yet written their exams. It's postponed. People have suffered the lockdowns, economic crisis, but those politicians out there don't even give a damn to it. On one hand, the JEE exams are postponed, 12th exams are postponed, CBSE 10th exams are cancelled. But I don't understand what's the emergency or urgency of conducting the VTU exams, VTU first semester exams. That's starting from tomorrow. Why do they start the exams tomorrow when the COVID crisis is to such an extent? 17,000 cases in Karnataka, where it records 11,000 cases just in Bangalore. Think of it, viewers. Do we need to conduct the exams now. I don't say that cancel the exams, at least postpone the exams. Conduct it at least online. The Twitter hashtags are trending. Postpone VTU exams, save VTU students are trending. And no one is even thinking of postponing it. Just for the sake of those students, think of it. At such crisis of COVID, at such crisis of daily cases are reaching 17,000. And do you want these exams to be conducted? Is exams more important, or is students' life more important? I feel students' lives are more important. I repeat the same thing. I don't say cancel those exams, because exams are important for students, but instead conduct an online exam or postpone these exams. Why is VTU not ready for it? I don't understand completely. Think of the students' life. Students' lives do matter, not their exams. Now, coming to D.India Focus Week's news. Coronavirus in India, COVID positivity rate doubles to 16.69% in 12 days, says government. According to information on COVID-19 bed system, 90% of beds in Bangalore are already occupied. Trains to pilgrim places cancelled in Maharashtra. 24,000 COVID-19 cases and 167 deaths. Situation grave, says Delhi CM. PNB scam. UK Home Office approached extradition of Nirav Modi to India. Tamil actor Vivek, 59, passed away on Saturday, a day after he was admitted to the hospital in Chennai in an unconscious state, and he remained in a critical condition and was on cardiac and respiratory support at hospital's intensive care unit. Vivek underwent an emergency coronary angiogram and angioplasty after he was found to have a 100% blockage in his left coronary artery. He had been involved in various awareness campaigns, including those related to dengue and also Green India. Now, looking at the next big news. Karnataka CM B.S. Yediyurappa tested positive for COVID. The third big news of the week. Karnataka by-poll records 56.37 voter turnout. Former Karnataka CM H.D. Kumaraswamy tests positive for COVID-19. Now, looking at science and tech, viewers. NASA rocket to survey the solar system's windshield. Noise pollution may prevent forest growth, says study. Scientists develop robo-plants to interact with plants. I wrap up this edition of D.India Focus over here, viewers. Do subscribe if you liked it, do like it, and share it with all your friends, relatives. I wrap up this edition. Thank you for watching me, viewers. Until the next time I meet you all, signing off. Sricharan. Thank you, viewers.